Blackheads are tiny skin growths that are typically found on the face, particularly on the nose, and occasionally on the back. The skin's sebaceous glands are blocked by a plug formed by these dark protrusions. They are brought on by the sebaceous gland's overactive production of sebum, an oily material that slowly solidifies when it comes into contact with microorganisms and dead skin. When the sebum is exposed to airborne oxygen, it oxidizes and turns black. They are known as whiteheads when they are below the pore opening and manifest as white or yellow pimples that do not oxidize. The following are the main reasons why blackheads develop: stress, hormones, dirty skin, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, caffeine. Utilize readily available household products to clear the pores and get rid of blackheads by following these straightforward, natural methods. 1. Tomato wash. Using tomatoes as a face wash will help you get rid of blackheads. Natural antibacterial qualities of this fruit help to dry out blackheads. Apply a small tomato that has been peeled and mashed on the blackheads before going to bed. Leave on overnight, then in the morning wash your face with lukewarm water. 2. Lemon scrub. Another all-natural remedy for treating blackheads is lemon. In a bowl, add salt and a few drops of lemon juice and stir thoroughly. Apply the mixture to the blackheads after cleansing the face with warm water. After around 25 minutes, wash your face once again with warm water. 3. Honey massage. Honey's antibacterial properties are fantastic for treating both blackheads and greasy skin. After 20 minutes, bathe the area with warm water and apply honey to the affected region. 4. Toothpaste. Consider applying a thin layer of toothpaste to the blackheads, wait 20 minutes, and then gently wash your face with warm water. To get rid of blackheads, use this solution repeatedly for 2.5 weeks. 5. Oatmeal pack. An oatmeal and yogurt concoction is beneficial for the skin and aids in clearing blackheads. To make a paste, combine 2 tablespoons of oats with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and olive oil, and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. After applying the mixture to your face, wait 15 to 20 minutes before washing your face with cold water. 6. Baking soda mask. Prepare a paste by combining baking soda and water. To get rid of the oil and filth that lead to blackheads, carefully apply to the afflicted area, let it dry for a short while, and then rinse it off with warm water. 7. Cinnamon paste. To make a thick paste, combine equal portions of cinnamon powder and lime juice. Apply the paste to the troubled areas, let it sit there all night, then wash it off the next morning with warm water. 8. Egg wash. Blackheads can be removed at home with raw eggs. 1 to 2 egg whites and 1 spoonful of honey should be beaten. Apply this combination to the blackhead affected region, let it sit for 25 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more health tips and recipes.